from 2006 to 2020. He established himself as a pioneer in automotive customization. His passion for innovation extended beyond the automotive world, as he co-founded the groundbreaking home-based franchise system under What's Your Plan, an international group of franchise companies in 2016, setting a new standard for international ventures worldwide. In 2023, he ventured into the tech industry as the co-owner and founder of RSB Technologies, a startup focused on app development, web development, fintech, and more. His dedication to excellence and forward-thinking approach earned him recognition on national and international platforms, including being the first Filipino to rank among the top 3 in the next gen of franchise competition worldwide. Acknowledged by STEAM organizations such as the Philippine Franchise Association and the International Franchise Association USA, his contributions to business excellence have been lauded with prestigious awards, including the SME Company of the Year at the Asia CEO Awards 2023 and the MSME Company of the Year by Go Negosyo 2023. His entrepreneurial prowess extends beyond business accolades, as he actively engages in philanthropic endeavors, serving as a partner of the repatriated OFWs through the Blas Obles Center and supporting business development initiatives. With a trailblazing spirit and a heart of community empowerment, he continues to leave an indelible legacy in business and beyond. His media features, including appearances on STEAM platforms such as ABS-CBN, Mike Puhonan, and Radio Bazaar, attest to his influential presence and unwavering commitment to driving positive change. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our esteemed guest speaker, Sir Chino San Diego.
Thank you, sir. Hi, everyone. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Thank you for welcoming me here at QCU. It's my first time to be here, so I'm very privileged and acknowledging the presence of the students from different colleges and university. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Yes, I am from Quezon City as well, and I am a graduate of Trinity University of Asia. So I'm here to talk about our company, which is What's Your Plan International Group of Franchise Companies. So how can I connect that to the sustainability? No? Guys, gaya ng sinabi ni Sir earlier, we are the founders of the home-based franchise system, not just in the Philippines, but international as well. So as of now, we are in 14 countries. We are highly recognized by the biggest international franchise organizations all over the world. So we are the first Filipino company who was recognized by the IFA back in 2018. So given that, so that's me. This is me accepting the award of the SME Company of the Year last year of 2023. So, going to the next slide, please. Okay, so What's Your Plan Group of Franchise Companies now has 5 brands. So there's What's Your Plan, Ube Story, Beefmaster, Brews and Ballads, and Half Baked. So, paano namin to na-produce, in that way? Of course, I want to acknowledge the presence of my wife, who is a pastry chef, a chef instructor of CCE as well. So she is my partner in business, and also of course, ideas niya yung food, recipe niya yan. So, next please. Who's controlling it? Ha?
Ikaw na lang
Okay
mag-
na? Okay. Sorry. Ayaw ko kasing tumingin dyan eh. But yes, that's me in PMC making custom cars in the Philippines. So can we speak up a little, please? Vin Diesel. I was invited to do the premiere of Fast and the Furious 5 here in the Philippines. If you guys remember that. I was there. I was able to meet and greet. My company TMC displayed show cars. So yeah, and also with Jiggy Manika, Solid Yusuf and whatnot. But yes, please, let's move on. Thank you. Okay. So RSD Technologies, we are developing Petaverse and Yourbiz. Ano yung Petaverse? We are developing a super app that is for pets, pet lovers or animal lovers. It's an all-in-one app wherein you can download, have socials and everything. And then Yourbiz is connected to franchising. If you're into business, I know you are because you're an entrepreneur student, this app will help you. So how can we connect this to sustainability? You know, that's the biggest question. Next, please. Okay. Digital changes, your way to sustainable income. Okay, so right now, yung generation kasi natin, you know, it's so fast-paced, no? To the extent na uso ngayon, kinabukasan, hindi na. May bago na naman. So it's all about going digital. Going digital saves you a lot of effort, you know, a lot of effort in doing research and development, finding suppliers, and, you know, everything. Kasi once you guys continue to become entrepreneurs, gaya ng sinabi ni Madam President kanina, it's beyond profit eh. No? Ang hirap i-grasp ng idea na beyond profit. Di ba? Kasi tama yung sinabi niya. It's all about profiting. I mean, that's the reason bakit tayo nag-business. True? True? Sino sa inyo may online business? Nagbebenta-benta?
Lahat po.
Halos lahat kayo? Meron? Okay. Nakikita nyo yung difference ngayon sa dati, ng mga panahon namin na walang online? Di ba? So, we are being offered working from home. Working from home could sustain as well. Why? Because traffic outside. Ang lapit lang ng bahay ko. It took me almost an hour to get here because I didn't anticipate the traffic outside. So, I consume gas, I consume time, you know, all of that energy, which I could have saved if I'm just at home. So these are samples of sustainability. And going digital will help us ease lahat yan. Napapadali lahat yan eh. So, sige, next time. You have to be flexible, di ba? So, having good health and well-being. So having something to do that requires you to innovate and be proactive on a daily basis will be a good way to start. Because, of course, how can we start being an entrepreneur? You have to be healthy, you have to feel good about yourself, and you have to feel good about what you sell. Because remember guys, when you start your entrepreneurial journey, okay, it's good that you guys try the online thing. Di ba? Kung ano yung makikita niyo, bibenta, kita kayo ng konti, mapapalaki niyo yung market niyo, which is fine. But always remember this, the way to sustainability is solving problems. Right? Selling a poster of Taylor Swift online doesn't solve any problem. So like in our company, in What's Your Flan, bakit kami nakakasolve ng problema? Kasi alam natin lahat na pag ang franchise company, gaya ng binanggit ni President kanina, Andox, Baliwa, Jollibee, wow, millions ang franchising niyan, di ba? Ang franchise fees niyan. What's Your Flan, guys, is going 800 franchisees worldwide. And we are in 14 countries. And what do we sell? We sell flavored leche flans. Alam niyo yung leche flan, di ba? Sino hindi kumakain ng leche flan dito? Doon sa taas? Wala? Nakatikim na ba kayo lahat ng leche flan? Nakatikim na ba kayo ng flavored leche flan? Di pa? Pag pinakain ko kayo lahat, malulugi ako. Puntahan na lang yung website namin. But, kidding aside, our business offers very affordable franchise fees. So doon pumapasok na we help people who wants to be an entrepreneur or start their entrepreneurial journey with a very little investment. So affordability comes into play. Diba? Gaya na sinabi nito, kino-compare ko kanina, nakikinig ako sa kanya eh. Chicken ng McDo, tsaka yung chicken dun sa likod, naubos yun nandun sa likod kasi mas afford ng tao. And me, probably, if I see that, I go to Palawan and see that, ba't ako magja-Jollibee? Eh sa labas na ng bahay namin, konting lakad mo lang, may Jollibee, meron ng McDo. You buy that, and then you support local businesses. Right? Can we go to the next slide, please? Next slide. Okay. Decent work and economic growth. Here in the picture, guys, if you don't know, he's our executive secretary, di ba? Si Lucas Bersamin, secretary ni President BBM, is also my third cousin. So, why am I showing you this? Because one thing that I want to impart to you guys, when you start the sustainability process of your entrepreneurial journey, is that you have to value your connections. Okay? You have to value and build your connections. Because like sa amin, sa What's Your Flan? Sino gumagawa ng leche flan dito? O ikaw, una ko nakita. Diba? Anong main ingredient ng leche flan? Itlog, di ba? So ngayon, itlog ang main ingredient ng leche flan. Kami, we don't buy our eggs in the grocery. Right? We have to find the right supplier to be able to make our flans cost-friendly. Right? So, on that process, hinanap namin kung sino ang may-ari ng manukan para makuha namin yung itlog ng mababa lang. So, connection. Now, we just call, get our orders, and it get delivered. Diba? Parang it's that simple. So, value your connections, be in a decent work because economic growth is part of being happy in your environment. So in our company, we try our best, to make our employees happy, to make our franchisees happy as well. Why? Because sa affordability ng aming franchise fees, happy na kagad ang mga franchisees namin eh. Happy na kagad ang mga partners namin. And in fact, as fast as 5 days, they are able to get ROI. Alam niyo yung ROI, di ba? Yes. Importante ba ang ROI pag nag-business ka? Yes. Hindi. Di ba? It's a big misconception to everybody. Now, if I start to... Guys, this is just my take and I hope I make sense. If I make an investment, I don't worry about the ROI. Sana, pinag-utang ko na lang yung tao na binigyan ko ng pera. Kasi yung return lang naman ang inaantay ko eh. Bakit yun ang inaantay ko? Nag-invest ako sa negosyo para may sustainable income ako. Kaya? Kung ang kontrata mo sa kumpanya ko is 5 years, I will give you a sustainable income for 5 years, regardless of how much you invested. Remember guys, try not to invest the last string of your money. And if so, invest it wisely. Huwag niyong iisipin kagad na, dapat in 3 days mag-ROI ako. What's the point? You understand? It's not about the money you invest in. It's about the time. Yung longevity, yung haba ng panahon. Nakikita ka, buwan-buwan. Okay? So that is self-sustainability. So that's what we offer in our company. Next slide, please. So, okay. Gender equality. Women empowerment. Okay? 90% guys ng aming mga partners and franchisees are all women. So, we are very familiar with empowering women, di ba? Online. You know, I'm in the business sector, both local and international. And it's surprising how women are starting to run the world. You agree, mga babae? Women? Ha? So, equality. We are starting to become equal. I'm sorry. We have been equal for so long. It's just that this is the time that women shine. And most likely, you guys shine more than men. That's true. Palakpakan nyo naman kayo, mga babae. Yan. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Kasi, my wife also is an internationally awarded businesswoman. She started What's Your Flan while I was working at TMC. Okay, so she endured everything from ground to what it is now with a capital of 1,000 pesos. Paano nangyari yan? Balik tayo sa connection. Right? Connection lang ang tumulong sa amin. Build that. The person right beside you could be somebody in 5-10 years from now. So do not forget to stick that relationship and continue being friends. Okay? Huwag kayo mawawala sa tabi ng isa't isa kasi hindi nyo alam. Next slide, please. Next slide. Aalala na kayo. Di ba? Natakot na kayo. Sino bang pero totoo yan ha. If I was younger, like in your age, if I know now what I knew when I was your age, I could have kept my college friends alongside me. But again, you know, I started from nothing. I had to crawl my way up the ladder. So nakalimutan ko na sila. Nakalimutan na rin nila ako. But, you know, we are still connected. So guys, do not forget that connection. Ha? So data-driven decisions. So you have to analyze your business. Our business, we analyze it, data. Bakit kailangan yan? Kasi hindi tayo pwede nag-aalatsamba. No? Hindi tayo pwede nag-aalatsamba pa nag-i-invest tayo ng pera at iniisip natin na how is this going to work out in the future. So remember, when you start solving problems, you have to understand everything as a whole. Right? Hindi lang pwedeng profit lang. Gaya ng sinabi ni President kanina. Pero ang hirap di ba? Sobrang hirap noon, guys. Kahit ako, I have to admit, the number one priority that I have right now is profit. Maybe because I've been a businessman for so long. Diba? But, you know, it's a good thing for me that I was invited to talk here about sustainability. Because I was able to realize that, it's not all about how much you can make in a month or in a day. It's about helping the environment. So siguro to start, guys, I know it's all about profit. Do it. Mag-ipon kayo, di ba? Kumita kayo, bilhin nyo lahat ng gusto niyo until such time na pwede na kayong mag-go beyond profit. Naintindihan yan? Right now, focus on that. And then once you're settled, you can go beyond profit. Like what I'm doing right now, it's Thursday afternoon. I'm supposed to be in my office, talking to people. But I am here because I see beyond profit. Inuna ko na to. Kasi importante kayo na ma-realize nyo to habang bata kayo, habang may opportunities kayo. Because, kayo rin ang magpapatakbo ng future natin, which is true. So can we go to the next slide? Oh, okay, sorry, next slide. Alright, collaboration and partnership. So in this picture, I just want to show my recent collaboration with Blue Water, flavored water. Are you familiar with Blue flavored water? Yan. So bakit sila nakipag-collaborate sa amin? We are sharing markets. Kinuha niya yung market ko, kinuha ko rin yung market niya. You know, in the end of the day, it's a win-win situation for us. Win-win situation in a way na lumawak yung market namin. Kasi I can focus outside of the usual, of the saturated market online through Bloom. And he probably did the same. So one part of sustaining is collaboration. Because we have to admit that when you start a business, it's very difficult to be successful alone. Hirap yan. So yung mga nagbebenta online dyan, di ba, anong ginagawa nila? Ko-connect sila sa mga social media influencers. Kasi kailangan nilang i-out yung products nila. Kailangan nilang i-out kung ano yung binibenta nila. Pero sila kasi ando sila sa stage ng profit, which is fine. Profit naman talaga eh. Kasi after profit, di ba, ang economy natin lalaki yan. Kasi magbabayad kayo ng tax eh. Magbayad kayo ng tax. So you have to focus on that. So next slide please. Tech for success. Okay, so this guy siguro kilala ninyo, no? Kilala niyo ba to? Asawa yan ni Mayor Joy Belmonte, guys. Hindi nyo kilala. Mayor natin. Asawa niya yan. Siya ang ex-CEO ng Lazada. Yes. Di ba? So now, he's one of the founders of Kaya Founders. Ano yung Kaya Founders? Nag-i-invest sila sa mga startup companies. Na mga ano sila, mga capitalists. So I had a meeting with him, with Ray. So ang sabi niya, I can never be as good as you as a businessman. Imagine getting 700 plus people to franchise your business. So that for me is success coming from the king of e-commerce. Diba? E-commerce, guys. Online, diba? Online. That helps sustainability. Kasi you don't have to go out, you don't have to spend, you don't have to use so much natural resources just to be able to buy what you want. So we are going in that direction. It's just, it's very difficult coming from me, in my opinion, to be sustainable worldwide or even in the Philippines or even here in Quezon City alone. But again, doing it now is better than not doing it at all. Di ba? Better late than never, ika nga nila. Hindi man natin abutan, pero tinatry na natin. So next please. Okay. We are in 14 countries, so ito na yan. Mostly ang target namin are Filipino community. So yung Filipino community natin, even nasa labas sila, napapakinabangan pa rin natin sila. So this connects to the economic growth. Di ba, if I'm not mistaken, ang OFWs natin, they give so much tax na napakalaki ng value sa government natin. Tama ba ako? Di ba? So napakalaki ng ambag nila sa economic growth ng Pilipinas. Kaya nga tayo may OWA, kaya tayo may Department of Migrant Workers. Kasi tinutulungan natin ang mga Filipinos outside. So our company can be found in these countries and it's still so affordable as low as 30,000 pesos. Sorry for the shameless plug, I'm just saying it's that affordable. Given that we are an international company, given that we are close friends with the owner of Subway sandwiches and the owner of Anytime Fitness, we give out our franchise fees in just a very minimum amount. Kasi gusto namin makatulong sa kapwa Pilipino. Di ba? Kasi nanggaling kami dyan eh. Nanggaling kami sa part na paano kami kikita, paano kami aasenso, how can we make money, wala naman ako masyadong pera. So ngayon na nagawa namin yung home-based franchise system, ginawa namin siyang affordable for the sake na maraming tao, like yung mga, target market namin are the stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home parents, OFWs, PWD, senior, saka mga students. Because you can do the business at home while you focus on your regular job, on your studies, on your regular profit streams, yung revenue streams ninyo. So, it's been like that since 2016. So, during the pandemic, nag-shoot up ang business because we were all asked to stay at home. Lockdown tayo lahat eh. So, nag-flourish, doon namin napakita na ang home-based franchise or in general, the home-based business will sustain. Right? Next slide, please. So, okay, that's my wife in the dress in front of 4,000 franchisors, franchisees, and businessmen all over the world at the 2018 Franchise Association Next Gen Competition in Las Vegas. So, the company won first runner-up. Natalo tayo ng Australia by 2%. But again, it was a big deal for the Philippines kasi we are the first Filipino and first Southeast Asian to be able to be part of the top 3 of IFA Next Gen. So yes, tayo lang yung sa'yo. Thank you. So hanggang ngayon, na 2024, wala pa rin Southeast Asian company na nakakapasok sa top 3 na Next Gen. So sa atin pa rin siya. So you have to lead in a digital world, your niche. Diba? Focus on your business, focus on the goal, focus on the problem that you want to solve. Because once you focus on the problem you want to solve, doon mo ngayon mag-iisip, paano ko ngayon pagkakatirahan to? Sorry ha, ganun talaga. Entrepreneurs kayo eh, gusto nyo magnegosyo, di ba? Di ba? So lahat tayo dito mukhang pera. Walang masama doon. Kailangan natin lahat yun eh. Di ba? Mas kailangan natin ng pera kaysa sa pagkain. Kasi wala kang pera, wala kang pambili. Di ba? So, that's the reality. That's okay. And with that motivation, you can profit as much as you want. Hindi natin ini-encourage yung... Siyempre, as an entrepreneur, I'm talking to entrepreneurs, future entrepreneurs, I encourage you guys to focus on business. Because in business, you can profit as much as you want. As much as you want. You want to buy a new iPhone? Kano iPhone? 100,000. Targetin mo, 3 days, kita ko 100,000. Kasi may negosyo ka eh. Diba? Pag empleyado kayo 100,000, mga 3 years yan. Wala na, iPhone, luma na yung gusto mo. I was an employee, guys. But I was able to realize that I can make more as an entrepreneur than I am an employee. Merong tao for employment, may tao for entrepreneurs. Laksan lang ninyo ang loob ninyo. Okay? Next. Okay, so I guess that's the end of it. You can find us here, you can message us here. If you guys are open into franchising, or if you want to go into business or reselling, or only if you want mentorship, just message us. I will personally try to be there to help you out. I will put time, to help everybody out. If you guys have questions on how to start up a business, that's fine. My wife and I also do investments. So we are small-time angel investors. So if you have a good business idea in mind, let us know. Maybe we can invest on your company. So yes, guys, just try to think of problems, ha? Problem solving ang key to successful business. Yun lang yun. Huwag tayo masyadong into kung ano lang yung kinikita ngayon, okay na yan. Kasi you have to, apart from sustainability, it has to be scalable. Alam niyo yan, di ba? Scalable, kailangan naiisip nyo, paano papalakihin to? So hindi pwede, okay na to, kumikita ko ng 500 a day, okay na ito. Hindi, habang lumalaki ang kita ninyo, lumalaki rin ang mga gastos ninyo. Lalo pa, nagkapamilya na kayo. Diba? So focus on that. Let us know, connect with us. You can easily find us on Facebook. We're open to mentoring anyone who asks for mentorship. So again, My name is Chino San Diego. I'm the co-founder of Whatsurfla and owner of RSD Technologies. And maraming salamat sa inyo lahat and sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you.
Alright. Some of us, na-correct talaga tayo dun sa point na ang business, hindi lang siya for profit. Na-correct ba kayo dun? Because